Good evening. Today is Sunday, April 12th, 2020. My name is Ricardo Sandoval, and this video is for week 5 of Biology 240. In this week's video, I'll be talking about the respiratory system. Now, the respiratory system consists, of course, of our lungs. It consists of our trachea, our windpipe. It consists of our bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, pulmonary capillaries, pulmonary arteries, erythrocytes, and of course gas exchange, which is defined as inhaling oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is a result of cellular respiration. So in breathing or respiration, or in taking a respiratory cycle, which is one inhalation and one exhalation, it's what keeps us alive. It's what makes sure that the body has enough oxygen to supply all of our tissues and the brain to keep us alive. Now, specifically today, I'm going to focus on what's known as tidal volume. And what tidal volume is defined as, it's the amount of air that normally enters the lungs. So during inspiration, during what's called quiet breathing. And since we're talking about quiet breathing, there are different categories of breathing. But quiet breathing is it's the breathing that I'm doing now. It's the automatic breathing. I'm not doing anything specific, anything forced to make sure that I'm taking a deep breath in or breathing out. It's just respiration. So one way to measure tidal volume is to use a balloon and a tape measure. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate this exercise is I'm going to blow into this balloon as much as I can, but with normal breathing, no preparation beforehand, no deep breathing. And then I'm going to basically kind of flatten the balloon to make it into a spherical, kind of globe-shaped. And then I'm going to measure in centimeters with my tape measure. Once I have the centimeters, there are calculations beyond that, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and blow into the balloon. Again, no preparation here. Okay, that's as much as my lungs can do without taking a deep breath, which would of course result in a larger result here. So I've twisted the top, and then I'm going to kind of flatten, and let me just change the angle here, flatten the balloon like this, you can see. So I'm just going to tape an end here to make this process a lot easier. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to just wrap this around nice and snug. And then flatten. And of course, what I'm looking for is the point where these two ends meet, which here appears to be right around 41 centimeters. So again, there are, I said, calculations beyond this, but this is a simple way to know kind of how much tidal volume the lungs are doing. Had I done this exercise with a deep breath, for example, that would have been a much more large expiration because of the preparation. Or had I done some exercise beforehand, this would have been a much smaller projection. But again, tidal volume, it's the amount of air that normally enters the lungs during quiet breathing, just this relaxed breathing. All right, thank you.